Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn exercise 4.4. In this exercise, we will construct a quadrilateral which have three sides and two included angles are given. Okay, look, exercise 4.4. For there are two sums. First I will do here and second sum in your homework. Okay, in first sum, quadrilateral DEAR, dear. We have two sides given. Look, DE equal 4, EA equal 5 centimeter, and three included angle are given. Three sides given. Sorry, AR equal 4.5 and two angles E equal 60, A equal 90. Means our rough sketch will be like this: DEAR. That this is 4 centimeter DE, EF 5 and AR 4.5, and E equals 60, A equal 90. We have to draw such as like this figure. Okay, so first we have to start from DE. Draw DE equal 4.4 centimeter with help of scale. Okay, this is 4 centimeter DE, our first step. Steps are: first, draw line segment DE, measure of 4 centimeter. Now EA equal 5 centimeter, but we have to here given E equal 60. We have to draw an angle of 60 degree. Therefore, for 60 degree, we all know that centered E, you can take any radius as you wish. Draw an arc like this. And now from here, where both arcs are intersect, named there any. Suppose P will be there. Now join EP. This is 60 degree. Okay, our DE and E both are complete. Now third, EA 5 centimeter. So take 5 centimeter radius with help of scale. This is, look, perfect 5 centimeter. Centered E. Draw an arc here. EY, suppose we named here Y, and where arcs intersect, named DEA. This is A. Okay, now our 3 points are complete. DEA. Last one, R. It will be here. For R we have A equal 90. Look, we have to draw here angle 90. So we directly with help of protractor perfect 90. This is perfect 90. Look, okay, this is perfect 90 degree right angle. And look, we have AR equal 4.5 centimeter, means A centered and radius 4.5 centimeter. So take 4.5 centimeter. Okay, this is 4.5 centimeter. centered A. Draw an arc. Named there. We will name here A N. Ray A N. And this arc intersect named there R. R. This is 4.5 centimeter and EA equal 5 centimeter. Our steps are that second step will be draw angle DE Y equal 60 degree. Now with E as center, draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter. Where arc intersect ray EY, where arc intersect this EY named A. Then we have done that angle A 90. Draw angle EAN equal 90 with help of protractor. Now with center A as center, draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. Where this arc intersect ray AN named there R. Now our last step is draw line segment DR. Draw line segment DR. Hence quadrilateral DEAR is required quadrilateral. Look, in this sum, we construct DEAR, where DE equal 4 centimeter, EA equal 5 and AR equal 4.5. 3 sides and 2 included angles. Second sum is in your homework, quadrilateral true. In this quadrilateral, TR equal 3.5, RU equal 3, UA equal 4 and 2 angle R and U 75, 120. Same process as first sum. So second sum in your homework.